Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing some delicious and easy dinner recipes in Tamil. As we all know, food is an essential part of our lives, and learning to cook new dishes can not only make us feel more confident in the kitchen, but it can also bring people together around a table to share a meal. So, let's dive right into our first recipe, a classic Tamil curry called umami thick chicken curry. This dish is packed with flavor and is perfect for a satisfying dinner. Here's what you'll need: 1 lb boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 small onion chopped, 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, and peas chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger minced, 1 can full-fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups cooked rice basmati or jasmine. First, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the oil and then the garlic and onion, sauteing for about 3 minutes until the onion is softened. Next, add the chicken and mixed vegetables to the skillet, stirring well. Cook for another 5 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Now, add the tamarind paste, coconut milk, ginger, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir well and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20–25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, add the cooked rice to the curry and mix well. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious umami thick chicken curry. That's it for our first recipe. With this dish, you'll impress your family and friends with your Tamil cooking skills. We hope you like it, and don't forget to give this recipe a try. Happy cooking!